Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily enable or disable full HDR viewing in the Photo app on your iPhone. Please don't forget to put likes under the video, write comments after watching, and also subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. And I will show you the whole process from the very beginning. First, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll down the settings menu and find the photo option. Click on that. Also scroll down the photo option until you find this here option to view as full HDR. Now, if you want to turn it off, then you'll need to press this button here so that it turns gray, like I'm doing now. If, on the other hand, you want to turn it on, then do the same thing, only in reverse. You'll need to toggle this button so that it turns green. This is how you turn on the full HDR view of your photos. This is the way you can solve your problem very quickly and easily and enable or disable full HDR viewing in the Photo app on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under the video, and also write comments. Bye-bye.